I want to do a quick video on this 6T45 transmission. I said I would show you this one time before, and I came across another problem, and that is with this 3-5 reverse drum. When you don't have reverse, a lot of times this happens, which is it blows out. I've talked about this before. See, that's torn up there, and the snap ring blows out and tears up everything. But I came across another one that I wanted to show you, and that's one that's very good. The clutches are not burnt, it has not blown out, but still there was a problem. So I'm going to set this down here. And I am going to alright, I am going to blow in the hole. You got holes here. This one, and this one. Right here, then there's another one. This one here is for the 3-5 reverse. Now I want you to look at something here. I'm going to put this slight here. See that blowing there? All over. And the clutches aren't applying. Now I'm going to put more here. You can see them moving up. So there's a large air leak coming out of there. Now the drum hasn't broken yet. Okay? I'm going to take this out. The washer is there. And I'll put a new drum on that I have sitting over here. This is a new one. And a slight air. Now it's only blowing from out of here. Now you do not see slight air. You see that's moving. There's no oil coming out of the side. And just a little slight air pressure is making that move. Now why is that? You would think that the seals, the rings were bad, but they aren't. What happened is, this one here has ring grooved out. Okay, so this is the reason why when you're rebuilding this transmission, even though the drum may appear to be good because it's not blown out, the snap ring hasn't blown out, you should always change this drum. Always change that drum. Okay, so let's look at this good one again. You see just the slightest move. It's just the slightest air will move it. And it's not leaking around the seals. Okay, so right here, once again, you see just the slightest movement. That air is coming from here, right here, my gun, but not in here. Just the slightest movement will make it apply. No leaks coming around the sides. This is a brand new drum. Put this back. Uh-oh. I got this back. Put this back in. And I'm going to put this drum that looks like it's good in there. And I'm going to check it. See that here? Now that's coming from around here. It's not good at all. Okay, hold on, I didn't have it down. Now it's down. It's applying. It has a very bad leak. Okay, so when rebuilding this transmission, always change this drum. Even if it looks good, change it. So you won't have any problems. Now, perhaps if these rings were the type that spread out, it may compensate for that, but these are solid rings, so change that drum even if it doesn't look good. This is a 6T45 or 6T40 transmission. 3/5 reverse drum.